cornbread. Beans and cornbread. Beans and cornbread.
Welcome to Cooking with Walker. We got a quick one today, something really easy to make. We're going to make sautéed edamame beans. And all you need is a pound of frozen edamame. You can find those pretty much anywhere in the grocery store. And some sesame seed oil, some salt, garlic, and some soy sauce. That's all you need. So this makes a great little snack, kind of to snack on it when you're done, or to maybe put in salads or something like that. All right, so really, we're just gonna open up these edamame and pour them into the skillet. We're gonna take some water and we're gonna make sure the water covers enough to submerge the edamame, and we're gonna boil that off. So we're gonna let this boil, and then we're gonna cover it. So let's give it some time to boil. All right, so we got it starting to boil. We're just gonna crank in a little salt here, just a little bit, just to get the water salted while it's boiling. We're gonna let it boil, pretty much boil all the water off until it's close to being done. So we're gonna also cover it. And we'll turn down the heat just a little bit, but give that about, I don't know, between 5 and 10 minutes. We'll check on it periodically, make sure there's still a little water left. All right, we almost got all the water boiled down, so in a moment we're gonna take these beans off and we're gonna transfer them into a bowl, and then we'll start the next process. All right, we got most of the water boiled out, so we're gonna just put that over in a colander real quick. Now I'm gonna take this same, turn down the heat a little bit. I'm gonna take the same skillet. Just kind of, we're gonna just clean off the skillet. Make it nice and dry. Back here, we're gonna turn that heat back up. Then we're gonna take a little sesame oil. I like sesame oil. You could probably use whatever you want, but it just gives it a nice flavor. I'm gonna put enough oil in there to coat the bottom of the pan. Move it around a little bit. All right. Then we're gonna put the beans back in there. I'm gonna put a nice big tablespoon of garlic in there. A little more salt. And about a quarter cup of soy sauce. And we are going to just saute this for a little while until we get a nice little brown toasted color to the surface of the beans. So this will cook off whatever moisture is still left there, so we'll have kind of a nice roasted appearance to the beans there. All right, we're going to do that for about 5 minutes. All right, we've been sauteing these for about 4 minutes. We're almost done. Losing a couple there, but it's all right. So you can kind of see where that soy sauce has left a nice little glaze on them, starting to get that brown appearance. We're toasting that garlic a little bit, so it's about ready to come off. So we're just gonna take these off, put them in a nice bowl here. And then what I like to do is set these out before dinner, let them cool off just a little bit, and they make kind of a good finger food, a little appetizer, something to snack on before dinner's served. Also, they make a great, if you let them cool off a little more, a great topping for a salad. Put it on top of a salad. All right, so that's it. Sauteed edamame beans. Makes a great snack, lots of protein. Hope you'll try it here soon. It's really easy to make. So that's it with Cooking with Walker today. Make sure to like and subscribe. I've been told by a young person to say that.
They go